I'm Sam, I'm a CNC technician and I work at Singer Instruments. So as a CNC technician, my role is to it's the start of the assembly line essentially. So I take blocks of aluminium, stainless steel, plastic. I program the CNC machines using a CAM software, which stands for Computer Aided Manufacturing. That generates code which the machine can understand, and that corresponds to movements that the machine makes. So I plot the material in, and then it plots out where it needs to move the tools to make the part. So I'm taking a block of something and turning it into something that's then used in the assembly of our products. So for my GCSEs, I did photography, motor vehicle, history and triple science. Motor vehicle is one of my favourites because it's nice, and I always like knowing how things work. And then from my GCSEs, I moved on to do a BTEC in manufacturing engineering, and that's where I really found my passion for engineering and knowing how things work and knowing a process, design, understanding everything that goes into things just don't magically work, and knowing the process and stuff takes to get to a finished product. And then during my course, I did a year's work experience here. And then once that ended, unfortunately they weren't able to offer me a position at the time because it just wasn't a job for me. So I went away, I just started working just a normal retail job. And then I got an email saying there's a job available, do you want it? And I couldn't hand my notice in quicker. It was a fantastic opportunity to work here, and that's pretty much pretty plain and simple how I ended up where I am. Oh, it's brilliant. It's brilliant. The culture's relaxed to the point where we're all friends. A lot of us, we hang out, we see each other outside of work. You go to so many places of work, you're like, oh, thank God I'm home. I don't want to see him tomorrow. But here, it's not like that at all. You come to work, you're like, oh, it's good to see you. There's very, very little friction between colleagues, which is really unique. Definitely, especially in terms of developing. I think when you have a good personal relationship with your colleagues, I think it makes it easier to call out people's mistakes and things like that. So you don't feel nervous around people at all. So you go, oh, rather than just going, oh yeah, let's do it that way. You go, actually, I think we should do it this way. And people just, yeah, if you feel comfortable around people, you'll work much better, I think. I would say speak to teachers, do whatever you can to just do what interests you, and if you do what interests you, you'll apply yourself even more, and then you'll get the best results from it. And then I would do your very best to get a good quality work experience, and really, you don't want to go into work experience thinking, oh, I'll just get this done. You really want to apply yourself, and if you impress them, you never know what could come from that.